Let's talk about day trading. It's a type of trading in which you close your positions on the same day you open before market close. Day trading can be on stocks, options, futures, Forex, cryptocurrencies, bonds, and other securities, or any other financial instrument. What is important is to be able to benefit from the short-term price changes. Using leverage in day trading is usual as traders trying to maximize their profits from the small market movements. Therefore, risks and money management are very important there. Day trading is usually recommended for more experienced traders, but if you follow some basic parameters as a beginner, you also can be able to benefit from this system. In day trading system, you must find the market movements and their reasons, including financial and geopolitical news. At the same time, you have to follow the economic calendar and data published daily basis. Day trading or daily trade is the most challenging type of trading, and unlike many people believe, is even riskier than scalping. First of all, make sure that you got that right. It's not a fast way of making money, but if you learn it correctly, it can increase the pace of your progress. The main reason that day trading is riskier is because of some fast and non-expected market reactions. For a better understanding, look at the figure. It's a Euro USD chart in H1 and daily timeframes. As you can see, event trends can be different in different timeframes. Moreover, as much as we have smaller timeframes, movements will be sharper. What kind of trading strategies we have in day trade? Various trading strategies can be used in day trading, including trading with support and resistance levels, news trading, trend trading, and so on. But how to start day trading with only $100? Number one, choosing the right broker. Since this system is based on small daily price changes, you should carefully watch the broker's spreads and executions. You have to watch how fast they place and close your orders. Number two, you can use all different markets, including options, for day trade. However, the best markets for day trade are those with more cash and fairer spreads, such as Forex, gold, oil, and some volatile stocks. However, you better choose currencies since you want to start with only $100. Use the ATR indicator to measure the market volatility. Number three, based on the assets and market you plan to trade, mark the most important economic events and data to watch and follow them on economic calendar. Number four, write down your trading plan and a strategy. You better know, and you need actually to know the basis for opening and closing your positions. And finally, number five, and the last step, stick to the plan and record everything to review over the weekend. As it says, plan your trade and trade your plan, but more effective results come after noting. If you have a plan and stick to that, you are halfway to success. So, if you are a beginner, repeat these steps repeatedly and ensure you are on the right way to progress.